Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Now, Luna finally dropped below 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And for so many years, Terra Classic has been trading at a very good price of over $100 before last year. We also saw what happened to Terra Classic. But since then, Luna was able to bounce back, hitting from $300 million market cap to about $2.8 to $3 billion market cap before dropping back again. That was about 6 months ago, and since then Terra Classic has been trading as the number 66 to 88 crypto coins with the highest market cap within the period of 6-7 months. But right now, finally, Terra Classic have now dropped below 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap, which finally means this is not looking good for Terra Classic LUNC. Now, with a market cap of $421.7 million, Terra Classic is ranked number 102 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Terra Classic actually fall out of the top 100 crypto coins according to coinmarketcap.com. But remember, being ranked among the top 100 crypto coins is very important, because once people scroll down the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, they will definitely see that particular coin. And most times you get some new buyers, new investors who might want to buy and invest on such coin. So I think Terra Classic founders, they need to work hard to make sure that these bounce back to the top 100, okay? Because if Terra Classic keep on dropping more further, although a video I did some months back, I actually predicted that yes, if Luna is already going down, and this coin before the end of the year might be ranked below the top 100 crypto coin. I said this in so many of my videos, and you can see that happening already. But it's not too bad, because it's still among the top 102, which means if huge investment is being done on Terra Classic right now, if huge people decide to invest on Terra Classic, there's a probability that the coin might bounce back among the top 100. But for me, if you are investing on Terra Classic, you just need to invest wisely, because it is not good. It's not looking good right now for Luna. Oh yes, it's not looking good right now for Terra Classic LUNC. But let's see if before the end of the year, if Terra Classic might be bouncing back towards the top 100 coins with the highest market cap. Please, once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.